Good day, campers. Do you have a new fifth wheel hitch? Are you wondering how to set it to the proper tow height? Well, wonder no more. This video is going to show you how it's done. First thing you'll need to do is level your fifth wheel trailer using just the front leveling legs and the suspension. The next thing you want to do is measure from the ground to the bottom of your lower fifth wheel plate. I get 53 inches. Next thing you want to do is, with your truck as level as you can get it in the same area as the trailer, measure from the ground to the bed of the truck. I'm using the tailgate because it's roughly the same thing. I get 36 inches. Okay, and then the last thing you want to do is you take the difference between the bottom of the fifth wheel plate and the tailgate, which in my case is 17 inches. And as you see, that's where my hitch is adjusted to, is 17 inches. That will make your trailer pull level. Now, if your fifth wheel will not adjust to the exact number, go up to the next adjustment and you'll pull slightly high. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get your hitch adjusted correctly. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe.